Welcome back to our YouTube channel, Richest. We all have heard about cryptocurrencies and how they've redefined the modern financial system. But we often forget or even ignore how they are created and monitored. This is perhaps the most important aspect of any cryptocurrency that a lot of people are unfamiliar with. All these platforms too are decentralized, like any cryptocurrency, and use the same blockchain technology. Ethereum is a global software platform that uses blockchain technology. It is mostly known in regards to Ether, its very own cryptocurrency. Most simplistically, Ethereum is described as the foundation of any digital currency. It is accessible to everyone, and people can open their digital wallets on it and can make global payments. But what makes Ethereum different from any regular platform is that it allows payments even more than any other cryptocurrency platform. Well, Ethereum is decentralized and hence is not under any authority's scrutiny and command. But when did it come into existence? Well, Ethereum was created in 2014 and launched in 2015 by Buterin and Joe Lubin of Consensus Software Company. From the inception of its launch, Ethereum stood out and became a go-to for any cryptocurrency-related functions. Today it stands second in the world of cryptocurrency platforms right after Bitcoin. How does Ethereum work? By now we have an idea about what Ethereum is and how it came into existence. But how does it work? Ethereum has its cryptocurrency called Ether, and it is a standard token used on the platform. We can open a digital wallet on Ethereum and can do global payments whenever we want. However, the wallets do not store your Ether. Instead, they contain private keys that are accessible only to the wallet owner. The private keys are used to access the Ether you own. Recently in 2022, Ethereum changed its interface from a proof-of-work model to a proof-of-stake model. But what exactly does it mean? Proof-of-work model is where an individual can mine cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and can own them. There, they can do transactions globally with them. But this process requires enormous amounts of electricity and huge bandwidths of internet, and in many ways not so environmentally friendly. So in the proof-of-stake method, its mining process is removed and replaced with validators. A group of participants are intricately connected in the network and are called validators. They create the tokens, store the information in block, and upload it into the blockchain. They are only valid when a validator validates them, and they also monitor the usage of them and the transactions that are made by the tokens. This approach is much more environmentally friendly and also more advanced. The answer is that it uses use case methodology, but what is it? What is use case methodology? Use case is a methodology in which a system is kept in place that will identify, clarify, and organize the network. Use case is constantly updating and developing to achieve the predetermined goal. A lot of software programs use use case to make improvements to the established software. Ethereum is one such software that is constantly evolving and handling global transactions worth billions at any given time. In a network where the process is too intricate and needs to be updated regularly, use case plays a very pivotal role. This is perhaps another reason why Ethereum is so successful and staying that way. That's the video, guys. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe our channel, Richest.